Okay, for 36, they want us to solve the following equation, so I'll just start in order. A, 8x plus 1 equals negative x minus 1. Okay, so I will get my variable alone, so I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I get 8x, this cancels, equals negative x. Negative 1 and negative 1 is negative 2, right? And then I'll add x to both sides, right, because I want to bring that x over. And I get 8x plus 1x is 9x equals negative 2, right? Because these cancel, but the negative is still there. And then I'll divide both sides by 9, and I'll get x equals negative 2/9 for A. Okay, let's do B. B, I have negative 4x minus 3 equals 3x minus 4 minus 7x. I'll simplify first. So negative 4x minus 3. Over on the right, I have like terms, 3x minus 7x. Positive 3x and negative 7x is negative 4x minus 4. Now I'll add 4x to both sides, right? 4x. And I'm left with negative 3 equals negative 4. And when the variables disappear and you're left with something like this, you have to ask yourself, when would negative 3 equal negative 4? And the answer to that would be never. So there is no solution. And what no solution means is that in the original equation up here, there's no value you can put in for x that's going to make that equation true. Okay, let's do C now. C is 4 minus 5x equals 1 plus 6x. I will, add 5x to both sides. Add 5x, again, properties of equality. And I have 4, they cancel, equals 1 plus 6x and 5x is 11x. I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I'll get 3 equals 11x. And I'll divide both sides by 11, and I'll get 3/11 equals x. But I will write that as x equals 3/11. You'll always want your variable on the left-hand side. Okay, and the last one, let's move this, D, I have 7 minus x plus 3 equals 9x plus 10. I have like terms, 7 and 3. That's 10 minus x equals 9x plus 10. I'll add x to both sides, right? And I'll get 10, this cancels, equals 9x and 1x is 10x plus 10. I'll subtract 10 from both sides, and I'll get 0 equals 10x, and I'll divide both sides by 10 and get 0 equals x, but of course we'll write it as x equals 0.